Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lisa if you're new around here, and today we are at Ikea.
Yeah.
You excited?
It's been a while, hasn't it?
It's been so long since we've been to Ikea. This is like the first time we've been here since the third lockdown. When did we come in last?
November, I think.
November.
Yeah.
So it's been quite a while. I thought today I'd show you around Ikea, show you what's new in, and yeah, let's go do some shopping. I'm excited.
So first of all, I always love the setups in IKEA. They always style loads of different rooms and give me so much inspiration. I really loved these little seat cushions. I thought they were super cute. They were £10 each, and I just thought they were really lovely and elevate a little space really nicely. And of course they make hard chairs that little bit more comfortable to sit on, so I really liked those. I also really loved this little setup that they had. I thought this would be great for either a playroom or even an office as well. I thought that would work well. And then I saw these new kind of Kallax drawers that you can pop into the Kallax units, and also little doors as well that you could put on. I really liked the grey. I thought that was really nice. IKEA is one of the best places to go for storage solutions. Again, they had more storage here. And also I loved these baskets. They were £10 each. Again, great for toy storage or anything like that. And then on here, I thought I would show you on the website a couple of new baskets that they had. I really loved this one here, which is, I cannot pronounce that, but it was £8. It's a folding basket. And again, I thought this would look really nice in a playroom. I might even get myself some for the playroom, but I didn't see them in store. So in store, I also saw these gorgeous cushion covers. They were £5 and £6.50. I love the kind of velvet, and it's a really easy way to switch up an area and make it look new and fresh. I thought this seating was gorgeous. You could use these as accent pieces if you wanted to. I just thought it had a really cool mid-century modern vibe to it. This was another new furniture piece that they had in store, which was lovely, and then they had these really cute cushion covers as well. Then we spotted this amazing curved mirror, which I thought looked gorgeous. I also saw this styled up in a bathroom as well, and it was only £40, which is amazing. I love just how they style the rooms up again. Look at these beautiful pictures. And then this DIY bar, which I thought was cool as well. And here is another mirror I fell in love with. Look how big it is. It's absolutely massive. And it just really adds a statement to the room. £70 for that one. Again, some more accent chairs here, which I really liked the colour of. It's kind of that oatmeal colour. And also I loved how they painted this room. That's why I showed it to you. I thought it looked really cool. And then they had this for a nice reading nook with lots of pillows on the floor as well. £19 for that one. I did also spot quite a few new sofas in store as well. This was one collection that I saw. They had lots of different colours as well. As you can see, they've got this yellow velvet, which was cool. This kind of, I guess it's more of a greeny grey. It wasn't grey. It does look more grey on camera, but it did have that more green effect to it in store. I definitely had my eye on a few new plants this time as well. They've got quite a few in store. And also I thought I would show you some of the chairs that they had. They've got loads of different chairs for dining rooms. And as you can see, chopping boards, and you've got salt and pepper shakers. And I loved this table. I thought it was a really cool like farmhouse type table, really beautiful. These are really cool chairs as well. So you can see they've got that black effect. They look very similar to our dining room chairs, but these ones are available from IKEA and they've got a bit more of a curve to them. In the kitchen section, I really loved these like shelves that you can put your cups on or different things for your kitchen accessories. I really loved just how this will really change your kitchen up. If you haven't got much storage in your kitchen, this can really make it look stylish. And also they had some other wall racks as well. And loads of flowers, loads and loads of flowers. They've got this really cute little setup where it looks like a flower shop. And I just loved all of these colours, so pretty. If you're in current need of a home office, they had some really nice desks in store as well. I really liked the colour of this one. It's got this like kind of creamy beige, and it's quite small as well. So if you're lacking space, then this could be good. Here is a larger one. Again, it's in that creamy colour. And I really liked this desk chair. I thought it was really chic and simple, and it was £50. Next, I saw these cool cups. I thought these were really rustic looking, very Neptune, I thought, and very cheap as well. And then also lots of lovely little plant pots, and again, more plants. Here are some other cushion covers I really liked. Again, it had like a real linen effect to them, which I liked. And then they had this bedding, which I thought would work really well in Vinny's bedroom. I like the striped design. I really love striped bedding. I think it's really simple and chic. I had to show you this wardrobe because it is brand new in, and it's got that crystal style design to it, which is gorgeous. And as you can see there, that is the name. And then they had some cute nursery furniture in. Obviously we're not in need of that anymore, but I really liked this mint green colour and I thought it was really, really pretty. And they also had a shelf to match as well, so you can pop all of your little baby's books and pieces on there. Now in the kind of cups, cutlery and all of that section, they had lots of new plates in. I thought this was so retro. And they also had these cups here as well, which I thought were great for the garden. If you've got people coming around to your garden, then I thought these would be great. £8 for that pack. And then these plates as well, which I actually bought for the boys because I thought those are really handy to have. And I really loved these metal containers. They were super colourful and bright. Now let's move to the rug section. They had so many new rugs in. As you can see, those orange stickers there means that they're new in, and I really like them. They had lots of kind of natural effect rugs as well. I've actually been eyeing these up for a little while and I just think they look really cool. I might get one for Vinny's bedroom at some point. They also had lots of smaller mats as well. Again, they've got more baskets in. I really liked this one, the black with the rope detailing as a handle. And then this one as well was lovely. It's a really lovely big one, which again has got handles as well. You could put a plant pot in this, or you could use it as storage for blankets and things like that. They also had some beautiful little plants in, real ones and fake ones, and also some gorgeous pots as well. I love that one. I thought it was really rustic. The garden section was super busy, but they had so many lovely new bits in for the garden, and of course that's what we're all doing at the moment when the weather is nice. I loved this planter. I thought it was nice. It had like a plastic insert inside, so you could obviously pot a plant in there, and it was £15 to buy. They also had this, which I thought was gorgeous. It's like a hanging basket. I actually bought this one. I thought it was really, really pretty and very elegant and sweet. And then they also had all of these fake plants. Look how many they've got. They had so many in store today. I really love this rose and I just thought it was really, really pretty and lots to choose from. Also, when I walked through the laundry section, I noticed a lot of bags and backpacks that they had and kind of travel bags. And I thought this was going to be really useful actually. It was £35. You could pop your lunch in or your kids' essentials and use it when you're going out for walks. And then I really loved this planter. It was £20. They had loads and loads of different planters in store today. Lots of different colours as well and different finishes. I love this one too. And then online I spotted this little table which I thought was so cute. So if you're sitting on the floor in the garden, like on the grass, you can pop your drinks on there when you've got your friends round. If you haven't got much garden furniture, just pop a blanket down and put this down as well. I thought that was really beautiful. And again, they had so much garden furniture. I loved this. Again, it looks grey, but it was more of a green in store. Very, very pretty and very, very elegant. They also had some really lovely individual chairs. I loved this kind of rocking chair. I thought it was very White Company and it does rock, as you can see. Just beautiful, relaxing with a book in the garden and a lovely drink. They also had these lights. I didn't actually spot these in store, but they're £29. They're festoon lights and you can take them inside or outside. They had lots of different clocks in store today, which I never usually spot actually. And also they had this mirror. So this looks like it's one mirror, but actually they've placed all of these individual mirrors onto the wall and then painted the background, which I thought was really clever. And then they had this as well online, so some floor decking. I just thought this looked so nice. If you've got like a small area in the garden that you just want to spruce up, then this could be absolutely perfect. I thought it looked really lovely and really different actually. They did have some wooden effect ones as well, but I really liked the tile effect that they had. And then I spotted a parasol as well. Now this parasol is very similar to the one that we've got, but actually it's got the white base, which I thought was really chic and very simple. So I really, really loved that and had to show you it.
So we've just finished up in Ikea. It was a successful trip, wasn't it?
It was really good actually.
Really good. And we've also got, of course, our dimes. Couldn't save that one for the haul because there won't be any left, will there?
Oh my God.
So we did really well, didn't we?
We need some energy now, don't we?
We need some energy. I'm hungry after that because the food hall's obviously shut.
I know.
And I'm hungry now, so I'm going to eat some chocolate. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and keep an eye out for the haul because I've got lots of bits to show you. See you later. Bye.
Bye.
Tick-tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me.